Welcome to this beginner's yoga flow. Here, we will embark on a journey to enhance your flexibility, balance, and relaxation. Whether you're new to yoga or aiming to improve your practice, this routine is crafted just for you. We'll take it slow with detailed guidance to ensure you find ease and comfort in every pose. By the end of this session, you'll feel more aligned, balanced, and relaxed. Let's begin by grounding ourselves with our breath and setting an intention for our practice. Remember, every pose can be modified to suit your own level of flexibility. Yoga is a personal journey, and today's practice is all about honoring your body and its unique needs. So roll out your mat and let's start this mindful, gentle flow together. You'll experience various poses designed to stretch and strengthen your body. Each pose will be broken down step by step with tips and modifications along the way. Stay tuned, keep an open mind, and enjoy the benefits that yoga brings. To start, let's engage in some gentle stretches designed to prepare our bodies. These initial stretches are essential to loosen up our muscles, ensuring they're ready for the yoga poses ahead. Breathe deeply as you ease into each stretch, recognizing the importance of this moment in grounding yourself. Feel your body relax and your mind become centered. Step by step, we are laying the foundation for a peaceful and effective yoga practice. These stretches aren't just a warm-up. They're a vital part of connecting mind and body, setting the tone for the flexibility and balance we'll work on today. Stay with your breath and gently move, savoring this preparation phase. As we progress, they will pave the way for a deeper, more fulfilling yoga experience. Now, let's move forward with this harmonious start and embrace the possibilities of our practice today. Next, we'll move into mountain pose, or Tadasana. Stand tall, bringing your feet together and aligning your toes. Rest your arms at your sides, palms facing in. This simple yet powerful stance improves posture and balance. Root down through your feet, feeling the ground beneath you, and lengthen through your spine as if a string is gently pulling you up. Engage your core for added stability. This foundational pose sets the tone for many other asanas. It's a great way to center yourself before moving into more complex poses. Remember to balance effort and ease. Feel the strength and calm it brings. Now focus on your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly, letting go of tension. Keep this awareness as we transition to our next pose. From mountain pose, gently bend forward into forward fold. As you hinge at your hips, let your arms hang naturally toward the floor and allow your neck to relax completely, releasing any tension. Breathe deeply and feel a gentle stretch along the back of your legs and through your hamstrings. This pose not only helps in stretching the hamstrings, but also promotes relaxation and relieves stress. Remember, it's okay if you can't touch your toes. Just go as far as comfortable. Over time, your flexibility will improve. Each pose builds upon the last to enhance your flexibility and balance. Now we transition into downward dog, a staple in any yoga practice. Begin by placing your hands and feet firmly on the mat. Lift your hips up towards the ceiling, forming an inverted V shape with your body. This pose is perfect for stretching your back and engaging your core. Push through your hands to elongate your spine and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Downward dog helps build strength and relieve tension. Take a few deep breaths here, enjoying the full extension and relaxation this pose offers. Foundational poses like these contribute to a more balanced and flexible practice. Transitioning from downward dog, step your right foot forward between your hands into Warrior 1 or Virabhadrasana 1. Bend your front knee, ensuring it aligns over your ankle. Lift your torso and extend your arms overhead, reaching towards the sky. Feel the stretch along your back leg while grounding through your front foot. Warrior I builds strength in your legs and core, enhancing balance and stability. It's a powerful pose that channels focus and determination. As you hold this pose, breathe deeply and maintain a steady gaze. Each inhale brings energy and each exhale sinks you deeper. Let's now explore how this foundation leads us to our next posture. Next, we'll practice tree pose, great for enhancing balance and focus. Start by standing firmly on one leg and slowly place the sole of your other foot on your inner thigh, finding stability. Once your balance is steady, bring your hands into prayer position at your heart. Breathe deeply and visualize yourself as a strong, steadfast tree. This pose challenges physical balance and centers your mind, promoting calm and focus. Stay here for a few breaths, noticing the strength and stability you create. As we move forward, see how this foundational pose enhances your overall practice. Now let's move to seated forward bend, or Paschimottanasana. Sit comfortably with your legs extended straight in front of you. Reach forward, aiming to grasp your feet or shins, and gently fold over your legs. Feel the deep stretch along your back and hamstrings. This pose enhances flexibility and calms the mind. Breathe deeply, and with each exhale, deepen the stretch a bit more. Concluding more active movements, it brings a sense of calm and introspection. Listen to your body and avoid discomfort. Modify as needed, using a yoga strap or bending your knees slightly if needed. Notice how each pose builds upon the last, creating a harmonious flow promoting overall well-being. Let's cool down with some gentle seated twists. Sit comfortably and slowly turn your torso first to the right, then to the left. Feel the gentle stretch along your spine as it relaxes with each movement. Breathe deeply, letting each inhale and exhale calm your mind. Don't push. Allow your body to ease into the twist softly. Gentle twists not only relax the spine, but also aid digestion and relieve tension built up during practice. This moment is about letting go, finding stillness, and ending our yoga journey with a calm mind and a relaxed body. Let's take one final twist to each side, savoring the peace it brings. Ready for our final relaxation? Join me in the next and final segment as we transition into Savasana. Finally, let's conclude our practice with Savasana. Lie down, close your eyes, and relax completely. Let go of any tension in your body, feeling the weight of your body sinking into the floor. Allow your breath to become natural and soft, bringing a sense of calm and peace. This is your time to let go of stress and be present. Enjoy this moment of tranquility and stillness. As we wrap up this session, remember the importance of this final relaxation pose. It helps your body assimilate all the benefits of the practice. Stay here for as long as you need, relishing this peaceful state. Thank you for joining this yoga journey today. Namaste. Thank you for joining this beginner's yoga flow. Your commitment to starting this journey is truly commendable. Regular practice will enhance your flexibility, balance, and relaxation. Yoga is not just about the poses, it's about progress and patience. Celebrate every small improvement and be kind to yourself. Remember, consistency is key. Integrate these routines into your daily life for the best results. We hope you found peace and growth in today's practice. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and most importantly, enjoy your journey to a healthier, more balanced self. Namaste.